You're on.
Hi, just like to take a couple of moments to explain the differences between our D series of connector, which we've had out there for years, an easy style connector, and the new X series connector. The X series connector is what we call a no braid trim connector. Works with the same strip dimensions, the same tool, all the same characteristics of the D style connector. That composite coupling nut, tri-metal plate, alloy plate, the ribs in the back, so you get a nice bite with strain relief boot, chamfered cable entry for ease of termination, optimal electrical performance. We've taken all that and brought that along into the X series connector, and we've also designed it so that there's no need to work around there with a pair of scissors and trim those braids. So we're going to demonstrate that. Take our CST-400 strip tool, side one, expose the center conductor, flip it around to side two. And we just spin that until it spins freely. We have a little deburr tool built in on the end. Just back and forth a couple of times. Put a nice chamfer on the end of the cable. So we're all set to go at that point. Ferrule hasn't changed. Slide the ferrule over the cable. Fold this braid wires back just a little bit. Now we're going to take our -D connector, our older style connector, our 3190-400. It's going to make a nice snug fit onto the cable. You feel that spring finger, you push it, locks onto the cable. You bring that ferrule up, and you notice that braid sticking out all the way around. Now what you typically would have to do is you come by with a pair of scissors and you have to work all the way around and trim that braid off. You have to do that for a couple of reasons. One thing is you want to crimp that as closely to the back of the connector as possible, so that braid is in your way. And you also, when you shrink that weather seal boot on there, you don't want to puncture that weather seal boot, so you have to trim that away. All right, now let's pull this connector off of here. Now we pick up our X series connector. It's our 3190-2590 X series connector, EZ-400-NMH-X. Place that over the outer conductor, snap onto the center conductor, bring that ferrule up, and look at that. Those braids are right where you want them to be. Now we're doing that, we're going through all the popular catalog connectors, and we're introducing X series connectors. Right now we have about 15 of them, and you're going to continue to see new connectors being introduced. Thank you.